BNB, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay. If you refer to our analysis, when the price was here, we were expecting the price to drop. But as you can see, the price dropped, but it couldn't break this low. Now we want to see how we can look at this, whether this one can turn to a bigger correction. At least then from there, can we expect the price to break this low before we get the reversal, or maybe the price can reverse from here? How we can trade it? In this case, we move to higher time frame. We start with daily chart. Okay, based on daily chart, this is what we're looking for. We want to see how deep this correction can be. Whether this one can give us one more drop and we expect a deeper correction before we get the next move, or this is the only correction. Okay. Anyway, in this case, we move to forward chart. Based on forward chart, this is what we're looking for. As we mentioned, based on 1 hour chart, we are looking for this move in relative to this correction. That's why we mentioned if this one give us one more drop, then any reversal from there can give us really good trade setup. Okay, and how about, can we put this one in relative to this for price to drop, give us one more drop or not? If we want to look for this, the best thing is if the price give us with the breakout of the top as we expected to finish this move, then we can put in relative to this. By the way, we don't need to care about that. We want to see how we can trade either down move or up move. Okay, in this case we move to a 1 hour chart. Okay, as we mentioned, right now we are within this correction, and since the price until the time the price haven't broke the top or low, we are considered this as a correction. Okay, now the thing is, whether if this one give us one more drop with the breakout of this low, then we can consider this move is finished and we can look for reversal. But the thing is, how deep this one can go? In this case, mostly we will be more interested to look for buy. For me, if I want to look for trade, I will put my trend line here, and also we can look for here. Mostly I will look for buy rather than the sell. Okay, the best thing is if I want to look for buy, if I get one more drop with the breakout of this low, any reversal from there I will look for buy. I'm not going to look for sell from here even if the price drop. Okay, then if the price continue from here, any sharp move with the breakout of the trend line, this line or the breakout of this top, any flag, we can look for buy. Okay, but the best thing is if the price reverse from here, we look for a sharp move with the flag, whether either the breakout of this top or here before we take the trade. Okay, and the best thing is if we get one more drop, then we will have this. Any reversal from there, we can look for buy. This is the best things if you want to look for buy. It can give us better confirmation rather than buying here. By the way, we are not going to trade within this correction as long as the price haven't broke this top or this low. Sorry, this low. Okay, and anyway, we don't need to have this line because we are not going to trade for sell. But if anyone wants to look for sell, they can look for the sharp move with the flag, but we are more interested in the buy. Either the best thing is if the price give us one more drop. Okay, and if we move to forward chart, this is what we're looking for. We want to, if you get the buy, we want to price, as we mentioned, if the price break this low, any reversal, we take it, and when the price come to this top, we start to manage it. Because made this one turn to a bigger correction for one more drop. That's why we don't want, we are not going to have entry above the top. We mentioned if the price reverse from here, we wait for the sharp move flag, and if we see any trade setup, we take it. By the way, we consider it as a short term. If we see it's not moving fast, we don't stay with the trade, we take over the trade. Anyway, we don't have any proper trade setup. As we can see, the price is still correcting. In this way, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.